Hey everybody, I invite you all to join me every Wednesday on my new show, Bedroom Busters and Bites with Tahanee and Friends. You can catch us chopping it up on YouTube starting Wednesday, April 3rd at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. See you soon.
Popped up the fire, evolve, whacking these fastball sliders and all. The Andrew McCutcheon of music I ball, translucent what you think that you seem dissolved. Got more things I'm backing and getting it off. Got them all twitching and itching. Who girl is watching? I give her a fixing. Foreigns and line looking just like a stitching. But that ain't your broad, and I'm all handcuffing you. Ain't Paul Blart, trying to be dope as me, man. You missed the mark. I'm at Kith, kick shopping, putting piff in carts. Full of confidence, it's clear you acknowledge it. Flash the watch bezel, check your eye tolerance. Just a few of my accomplishments. Oh, you mad? I make you madder. Great Margellas with the paint splatter. Dabbing, doing the dabble, I'm dapper. Laughter is what I induce from you actors. Should go copy a fit from Mad Hatter. But that's a whole nother chapter.